Umyan and Uryaman. In today's video, we will learn about the usage of Umyan and Uryaman. Uryaman is used if someone wants to do something, a condition must be fulfilled to achieve that goal. Umyan simply means if there is no desire needed. Let's look at the basic structure of Umyan and Uryaman. For Umyan, we take verb or adjective and add myan or umyan. With vowels, we use myan, and with consonants, we use umyan. And for Uryaman, we take verb and add uryaman or ryamyan. With vowel, we use ryamyan, and with consonants, we use uryaman. Let's understand this using some examples. If you go early, you will reach on time. 일찍 가면 3시간에 도착해요. If you want to reach on time, you must leave early. 3시간에 도착하려면 일찍 가야 해요. The second sentence expresses a desire and the condition to achieve it, while the first sentence focuses on the result of an action without expressing desire. If you eat well, you will be healthy. 잘 먹으면 건강해져요. If you want to be fit, you must eat well. 건강해지려면 잘 먹어야 해요. In the second example also, the first sentence focuses on the result, whereas the second sentence focuses on the desire and a condition. If you exercise daily, you will become slim. 매일 운동하면 날씬해져요. Exercise daily if you want to get slim. 날씬해지려면 매일 운동하세요. If there is a sale, it is cheap. 세일하면 싸요. If you want to buy it cheaply, go during the sale. 싸게 사려면 세일할 때 가세요. If you are still confused, just think, is there a want or a goal? If no, use umyan, and if yes, use uryaman. Try a sentence on your own. If it rains, I will not go.